What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Fatkat, bringing you another video, man. So what are we going to talk about today, man? So today we are going to talk about, well, actually, let me say this first of all. For the few people that do watch the video so far, I would say, man, the reason why I have not posted is because I've been trying to deal with all these different dealers. I'm in the market, as I've been saying for my last couple of videos. I'm in the market for a new charger. I was going to get a Hellcat. I actually got approved, to get a Hellcat, basically. But, when they told me what my payment will be, which is about $1,100, I said, nah, I'm good. So, and I know that's what the normal payment is, and this and that and the third, but like I said, still, man, like I am not going for $1,100. That's literally almost a mortgage payment, and I'm not doing that. But anyway, at least not now, anyway, for different reasons that I'll explain in a future video. But so with that being said, man, I'm going down to a Scat Pack, 2019 Scat Pack, and I just been dealing with all these damn dealerships, man, trying to figure out the best, trying to see who gives me the best deal. So with that being said, man, I think I might have one that I might pull the trigger on. But like I said, I still got a couple options. So with that being said, man, for the few people that do comment on the video so far and everything else, would you do a gold mango? Because I have the option right now on the table, either a gold mango with carbon stripes, the dual carbon stripes, black carbon fiber type stripes, or the dark, the graphite gray Scat Pack with, again, actually that one doesn't have any stripes, but I might have them put the stripes on as part of the deal. I think that dark, that granite gray color with the carbon stripes, I think will look really good. But which ones do you guys pick, man? I know everybody likes gold mango, but to be honest, man, I think that dark color, man, with think about like red accents, like it has the dynamics package. They both got literally almost the same thing. Dynamics package, sunroof, the plus group, what else? The Harman Kardon. But basically they have their works. The only thing they don't have is the technology package, which I don't want anyway, because I don't want to end up, fighting with my car if they want to break for me or not. Like, I don't know, man. I like to drive my car, and I don't want my car to drive for me, if that makes sense. But anyway, so the only thing they don't have is the technology package, which I'm totally okay with. I really don't want it anyway. But they pretty much got everything else. So I think that dark granite with the dynamics package and the black wheels and everything else, I think it will look good. Like I said, the gold mango as well, but I kind of think that dark granite color, gray color, with the black stripes or the carbon stripes with the black wheels, I think it'll just look sinister, man. I think it would just look so mean on the road. But that's just me. Anyway, man. So, but let me know, what do you guys think, man? Should I go with gold mango or should I go with that granite color? Like I said, they're both literally about the same price. It's just which one do I want to actually, pick up and take off the lot, man. So you guys let me know in the comments below. But with that being said, though, man, I just wanted to give you guys a little update, man. Just wanted to give you, tell you guys what's been going on. I mean, I'm literally about to pull the trigger on one of these cars, and I just need to know which one I should go get, man. But within the next day or 2 days, maybe 3 days, I'm getting one. As a matter of fact, I'll see if I can find some pictures of these cars, and probably put them in, put them in the video at the end. Probably do like a little split screen or something like that, and put the video and put the pictures on there. So anyway, man, you guys let me know which ones you guys will pick, which one you guys will take, and I'll make my decision, man, within the next couple of days. And then it'll be on the channel. And then I got something else. As soon as I get this car, I got something else that I'm going to announce once I get it. So stay tuned for that as well, man. All right, man, just wanted to give you guys an update, man. Appreciate you guys watching. Please let me know. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Share with your family, share with your friends. because this channel, once I get that, man, is going to be on and popping. That is for sure. So, all right, man, we'll check you guys on the next one, man, for sure, man. Appreciate you guys again. Later.